Mannish water time. Mannish water. Good head and good food just chop up. Hey guys, welcome back. How you all are doing on this beautiful New Year's Day? As you can see, I am on the outside. I'm gonna do some Mannish water. So I am in the process of washing my goat head and my goat foot and tripe. You know all that thing we used to make Mannish water, guys. Yeah, I put some vinegar in the water and I'm in the process of washing it. So as soon as I finish wash it, I'm going to put it on the coal stove. Guys, as you can see, my coal fire blazing, hot, ready for eat pot. See big pot there. That I will go on that now. So yes guys, the meat is on the coal stove cooking. So I'm gonna give you a rundown of the food that I use in my Mannish water when I'm doing my Mannish water. Jamaican yellow yam, pumpkin nice and pretty, yellow, dasheen, carrot, as you can all see, and this is chocho, good old chocho. My mother used to use this whole heap. Chocho, you cook it by your meat, you can make it juice, a whole lot of things you can use chocho to do, guys. I'm using 2 large Irish cocoa. I'm putting a piece of this breadfruit in it. I'm going to use half of this breadfruit. And as it goes for the seasoning that I'm going to use, I'm going to use some herb seasoning, scallion, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. So that pepper is big. And then I'm going to use the ramgoat noodle. Yes guys, you have to put your ramgoat noodle in your Mannish water. And as for the pumpkin, a lot of people making Mannish water, they don't use pumpkin, but I am using pumpkin because the pumpkin give it a nice flavor and a nice color. Very nice. Yes guys, this is our food. Has been washed and cut up in bite-sized pieces and now going into the pot. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook. One big pot of soup, Mannish water, some Irish and carrot that I'm going to add to my pot now. Just peel and wash and dice up. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add it to the pot. Adding my Irish and carrot to my goated soup. And look at that lovely soup. Look at that soup. So I'm gonna give this some time and come back and check on it. Alright guys. Young banana. So I'm gonna put this in the pot now. Look at that soup guys, goated soup. One big pot of goated soup. I just put in a young banana. I dice it up thin, slice it up thin and put it in there. So I'm adding in my herb seasoning. I have a green pepper, a big green pepper, 2 stalks of scallion. As for the thyme, put in reasonably enough thyme, and some pimento. So I'm putting this in now. I'm adding this to my goated soup. So I'm adding 2 packs of Mannish water soup mix to my goated soup. Then I'm gonna stir. And that's a whole heap of Mannish water. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt to my Mannish water, guys. If you notice, I'm putting in the salt last. That's the last thing I'm putting in my Mannish water. The noodle that I add, it has salt. So I have to wait a little when I put it in and then taste how it tastes, and then I go ahead and add my salt. So the salt is the last thing. So our Mannish water is finished. It's ready to eat now. Yes, guys, our Mannish water is finished. So this is our Mannish water. Having a whole heap of meat. A whole heap of meat is in there. Look at that. Hear that? It is not thick. Your Mannish water shouldn't be thick. Alright, guys, look at that. That's a lovely bowl of Mannish water. Who know this little song that said Jamaican Mannish Water? Jamaican Mannish water good for your daughter. It make your daughter Who can fill in the lines them that I leave out? Let me see who will be the first to fill in those lines.